What can yoga therapy help with? Well, it can help with a lot of things, and I like to look at it in terms of sort of three main buckets. The first one being musculoskeletal, so the bones, the joints, the muscles, things like injuries and rehab. Think of neck pain, shoulder pain, lower back issues, any hip pains, very, very common, knee, things like that. Bucket number two, we're moving into systemic and systemic conditions. So if you think of something like the cardiovascular system, we think of heart disease, high blood pressure, low blood pressure, cholesterol, things like that. And then other systems, think of respiratory, you might have respiratory conditions like COPD, the digestive system, you might be working with something like IBS, the nervous system, you might be working with Parkinson's or stroke or CP or MS, and lots of other systems and lots of other conditions, way, way too many to list. And the third bucket is the mental health, emotional health bucket. And here a lot of common ones are things like anxiety and depression, trauma, PTSD, things around anger, things around grief fall in here as well. And the really lovely thing about yoga therapy is that you can really work across of these. And a good example, simple example, is something like lower back pain, chronic pain, and depression. Now, lower back pain and chronic pain are often really highly correlated with depression. And in the yoga therapy context, you'd be working with all of these together. And you would also potentially be working in tandem or in collaboration with other therapists. So it doesn't exclude the person from working with other types of modalities and therapy. So that's what yoga therapy can help with.